What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this. If you've been keeping up with my vlogs recently, then you would know that I got a Canon T5i for my birthday, which was September 5th. And I got it because I really wanted to take my YouTube channel to the next level. Right now, I'm filming on my Samsung Galaxy S7, which isn't bad, but I wanted to improve the quality for you guys. So let's get right into that unboxing. So now that we are in unboxing mode, we can unbox this Canon T5i. I bought this on eBay about a week ago, as I told you before. Got it for my birthday. It was around like $525. It was supposed to come with the Canon T5i and some other stuff. So let's check out what's in this box. As you can see, I kind of ripped off this layer because it had my address and I didn't want to give that away for privacy purposes. So here's the moment of truth. Ready? Oh, you guys are seeing it before me. What does it look like? Oh, nothing much, I guess. So in here, this is the camera bag, Ultimax. Here's the camera bag by Ultimax, and I think the camera's in here, so I'm gonna unbox that last. Getting back into the box, we have a Ultimax 58mm professional wide-angle lens. I don't know if I'm gonna be using this, but it's good to have. And we also have a Ultimax professional telephoto lens. And lastly, we have a, I'm pretty sure this is a camera strap. Yeah, camera strap. It's not very long, but I'm pretty sure I can extend it. Throw that off to the side. So now getting into the main item, the Canon T5i, which should be in this box. I did buy it used, so if there's any dents or anything, that's why. CD, I don't think anybody ever watches that. Lens cover for your lens, you can screw that on. Charger, looks like a car charger for your, I don't know what it's for, but it looks like a car charger. Pretty sure this is a cleaning something to clean your camera with. Yeah, it's just a cleaning brush. Whatever. Next we have a, seems to be a charger for something. I don't know what it is. And the kit lens, 18 to 55 millimeters. Very nice. I'm not sure how good it is. As you can tell, I'm just getting into the game of DSLRs. I used to film on my phone, so Canon 18 to 55 millimeter lens. Accidentally dropped my phone off the tripod there. I don't know what this is. This looks like some kind of remote, I guess. Yeah, throw that to the side. And this is the battery charger. Yep. And that's it. And here is the big bad boy. This is the Canon EOS Rebel T5i with the flip out screen. I can be like Casey Neistat now. I can vlog. Oh. Now I don't have to go back and look into what I videoed to see what the quality's like every time on my phone. I guess we got another camera strap. This one's by Canon. And yeah, we're gonna put the lens on the camera and we're gonna test everything out. Is there a battery in here? Let's check. Pretty sure the battery, yep. Is that the battery? Yeah. The battery's in there. I'm guessing it's dead because it was on the whole time. So let's put it all together. This is the lens. Match the white, I'm pretty sure. Oops. Boom. This is my new camera right here. Canon T5i. Beautiful camera. Got it for $500, so I'm not sure if that was a steal or not. The quality of my videos are going to be so much better after this. I'm going to make a video on coming out soon, which will be video tests from this and video tests from my Samsung right here, which is filming, and we'll see which one's better. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be better, obviously, because it's more expensive and it's meant for stuff like this. So this is the full rundown of what came in the box. It's a pretty small box, but as you can see, it's about the size, a little bit bigger than my head. First off, came with the Canon T5i, the main item in this package, with the Canon 18 to 55mm lens, which is the kit lens. Can't wait to use this thing for video. I'm super excited. This is like my first actual like decent camera I've ever had. Very nice. Freaking love it. Throw that to the side real quick. Next we got this Ultimax 58mm professional telephoto lens. Not sure what this is for, but let's see what's in it. Got a nice little case. And more wrapping, I guess. Throw that to the side. Ultimax 58mm telephoto lens. Not sure what it is, but I'm pretty sure it just like goes on your camera, like you twist it on or something. I'm not sure what it does, but pretty sure you just like put it on your lens and you twist it like that. Hope I didn't break anything, but that's what the telephoto lens looks like. So we're gonna take that off. Looks like everything's fine. Next we had the professional wide angle lens, which is this one. It's the same thing, except this time it's a wide angle instead of a telephoto. Right there. Throw that off to the side. We got a lens cover for the sun, I'm pretty sure. Lens cap, and more lens caps. Battery charger. We got this little lens cleaner, I think, maybe. Some kind of car charger, I think. Another charger. This remote. And this bag right here by Ultimax. Don't know how nice it is, but it's all I have for right now, so I'm gonna use it. Not bad. That's all that came in the box. So right now I'm gonna switch over to this camera, and hopefully you guys see a difference in quality. Hopefully it's better. So I'm gonna switch right now. Boom, this is the first shot of the Canon T5i. If I look over here, it's because I'm looking at myself in the new flip screen. I don't have to go around back to see what I'm filming now. I can just look right there. So this is what I was filming on before. Samsung Galaxy S7, and that's what my new camera looks like on a tripod. It looks super sick. I just love it, man. So right now everything on this is set onto auto. Pretty sure there's autofocus, so it should be tracking me pretty good. Also, there's no external audio, so this is what you're gonna hear straight out of the camera. So yeah, that's it for my video. Hope you enjoyed the first unboxing. I definitely did. This is my new camera, Canon T5i. Sure to be shooting more videos now because I have it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button down below and go subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'm out of here.